All right, check it. Here we are. Beautiful Hilton Field. It's a glorious day. Nice and sunny. It is Florida, so it's a little hot already, but no wind to speak of. You know, Flash is kind of billowing there. We got Dave going up in his. Is this the remaiden, Dave, or have you flown it since you fixed it? All right, this is the remaiden of the Eflite. Dave, what is this? What is this here? Is that supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That nylon screw for there is stripped, so I had to put that one in.
All right. So we got a stripped nylon screw. Okay. We're off. All right. Whew. We got off the ground. That's always a plus. Flying very smooth. How's it feeling, Dave?
Feels good. I wish I had put my glasses on.
All right, Dave's wearing glasses. Maybe he means the sunglasses.
Battery don't sound good though.
Are you down? Are you out?
I heard it dying.
Okay. All right, we might have had a battery issue here. Dave, you do not run telemetry, correct?
No.
All right.
You didn't hear it dying?
Well, I mean, I heard something. There he is, Dave, with one of the old walk of shame. Fortunately, airplane is in one piece. I guess this is a short video. This guy just pulled up with some kind of fancy helicopter. I think that may be Dave Letterman. I'm not sure. We got the RC honey badger over there. We got Bo eating lunch. His wife always brings him lunch this time of day. And that's it. I don't have much else to say. We're out, snitches.